Okay, let's go. It's task about choosing data structure type in accordance with task. Okay, so let's start from first. Sorry. No, so first, I need to choose a data structure for storing unique users identifiers. So we need to check if we have a user with a identifier in our set or we don't have. And so let's follow our algorithm. What types of element we need to store? We only need to store values, and these values look like should be unique. And about operations, we need to perform search. So I think because we have a keyword unique here, set is most obvious choice here. And the second one, it's a task queue for processing. So system should process a request in accordance with their order. So about values, we have requests and values, and we need these values ordered in first in, first out, because we need to process our request in accordance with their order. So I think Q here is our choice. Set, and then Q, and the third one is we need to store keys and values. So we need to store application properties in a format where each parameter has name, key, and value. So let's summarize. We need key value elements, key values, and we know nothing about operations. So key value, we need to choose a hash map or dictionary. The next, number 4, we need to store data about employees in hierarchy way, which shows subordinates and managers. So hierarchy and its values, and when we speak of hierarchy, we definitely should need to choose one of a tree data structure. And next, we need to search an element by priority. So system processing tasks, and the task will be processed in accordance with priority. So we have values, and we need these values ordered. and actually order it, and we need to process this task in accordance with order. Actually, if we need to do not have all our tasks sorted in any time, we only need to know which task should be processed or executed next, so the task with the highest priority. Our choice is heap here. But if we want to have our tasks sorted, we can also use a kind of tree here. But also, if we think deeper, if our goal here not to execute but to define an order, we can also, I think, store tasks like task is a key and priority is a value. So we also actually theoretically we can use a sorry, not heap, but we also can use, I think, hash, some hash structure, hash map or dictionary here. And the next one is managing users' friends. So we need to store relationships between users in social network, and each user can be connected with several. So we need users value, and we need also connections, and it without any doubt lead us to graph structure. And next is ordered list. We need to store список number list in sorted way to and our task. So we need numbers, ordered, and our task to find, so search for min and max. And I think our decision here is definitely a tree, especially maybe sorted tree, balanced tree, something like this. And next one is storing page visitors. So system should track unique visitors on a website and also store a number of visits. So first we need unique values, and also it's unique, and also we need to calculate a aggregated amount of visits. So actually aggregated amount. Actually, if we speak of unique visitors, it looks like a need set here. But actually, if we want to calculate not only amount of unique visitors, but amount of visits, maybe we can use hash set or hash map or something like this, or dictionary, and store and maybe in this case it's better to use key value and key visitor and value amount. Value is a counter. Oops, 9. And the next one, so we need to store user actions, last user actions, and the last actions. And we need an ability to cancel the very last action, cancel. And we definitely need stack here because it works using LIFO algorithm. So last in, first out, and we can cancel the very last action. Next one, 10. We need to create phone book structure, which consists of names, name plus number, and it's definitely a key value, and we need to search by name, key. And our decision here is dictionary. And 11. It's the shortest, quickest route. So we need to design road map between cities, and our task to solve its road map. So we have cities and we have roads. So we have nodes and edges, and our task here is to find the shortest way, and our choice here definitely a graph, no any other variants here. And next, checking if the braces sequence is correct. So we need a stack here. We described it with algorithm, on our lesson. So we add first brace in stack, and second, and when we enter closing braces, we delete this, and when we enter another correct braces, we delete previous one, and so we as a result we should have received an empty stack. And one more is I need to store objects with regular access. So elements that are changed changed frequently, and no order, and quick access. Actually, if we speak about quick access, we can choose array here. And, because in array we have an access to elements by index, and it allows a quick search and quick change of the element as well. Next one is a unique words in a text. So we need to store all unique words and calculate their amount. So we again see magic word unique, and it leads us to set data structure. 15. Structure of electronic queue. In a medical department, patient clients have a queue, and so first in, first out, we need ordered elements, and we need to implement first in, first out here, and we definitely need queue. Oh, and the next one is a 16 is a list of tasks. We need to store list of tasks. So we need tasks, and we need to add, delete, and sort. Actually, it looks like we need a tree here, because ordered tree allow to quickly add and delete tasks, especially if we have them sorted, and also it's easy to add task exactly in accordance with its order, with its priority. And one more, connections between computers. We need to design computer network where each computer can be connected with several others. So again, we have nodes here and edges, and no other options like graph we have for this task. And we need to, in next task, we need to analyze how many times we meet a word in text. So I think we speak about unique elements, because we need to keep counter of unique elements, and we need to count elements per element, okay? And actually I think set or some hash map here. So actually, yes. The next task is we need to design a rating system which store a list no players with their rating. So it's kind of key value, I think. And also we don't need sorting here. We only need to find a player with the highest priority. And actually, if we don't need to keep them sorted and so on, we can just use heap. And the last one is we have a data, I mean streaming data, and we need to check if we received the current element earlier. So we need to check, we need to have a unique set, so set of elements, and if the new element come and we don't have the element in our set, we add, and if we do have this element, nothing happens. And that's all.